Today in our chapter fluid mechanics, now to see one multiple choice question. The multiple choice question is based on terminal velocity. The equation of the terminal velocity is Vt is equal to 2 upon 9 r square g upon eta in bracket rho minus sigma bracket over. Rho is the density of material and sigma is the density of the liquid displaced by the sphere. Now using this formula we to solve this multiple choice question. The multiple choice question is like this way, just you can see here. A solid sphere of radius capital R acquires a terminal velocity v1 when falling in bracket that is due to gravity through a viscous fluid having coefficient of viscosity eta. The sphere is broken into 27 identical solid sphere. If each of these sphere acquires a terminal velocity v2 when falling through same fluid, the ratio of v1 upon v2 is equal to dash. There are four options are given: a 1 upon 27, b 1 upon 9, c 27 and d 9. Again, a solid sphere of radius capital R acquires terminal velocity v1 when falling, that is due to the gravity, through a viscous fluid having coefficient of viscosity eta. The sphere is broken into 27 identical solid spheres. If each of these solid if each of these sphere acquires a terminal velocity v2, if each of these sphere acquires a terminal velocity v2 when falling through a same fluid, the ratio of v1 upon v2 equal to, there are four options are given: a 1 upon 27, b 1 upon 9, c 27 and d 9. Now to take the solution here, we know that the formula here, that is terminal velocity Vt is equal to 2 upon 9 r square g upon eta rho minus sigma, number 1. Now here we can say that Vt is directly proportional to the its radius. Everything here, that is 2 upon 9, g is constant, eta is constant and this also constant. So this is equation number 2. Now you can see, suppose this is the fluid and a metal sphere is freely falling under the gravity, and suppose here it acquires the terminal velocity, that is Vt. Now same case, same material and same ball. Now it is divided into 27 parts of the same sphere of density rho, and these 27 having this terminal velocity, suppose v1, and that 27 spheres, they have the terminal velocity, suppose this is a sphere. Next you can draw here. Now this is a bunch of sphere here, suppose 27 sphere and falling under gravity, and it requires terminal velocity, suppose v2. So we can say that here v1 upon v2 is equal to r square upon small r square, number 3, because everything other is constant. So finally we know that here the mass is same. If mass is same, then therefore rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 27 rho 4 by 3 pi. Suppose small having a sphere, identical sphere having a radius small r, so r cube. Now you can say here rho 4 by this will be cancelled. So finally you can write here r cube is equal to 27 small r cube. Therefore, capital R is equal to 3r. This is equation number 4. Now keeping 4 in 3, we can get here, keeping equation 4 in 3, equation 4 in 3, we get v1 upon v2 is equal to 3 small r whole square upon r square is equal to 9 r square upon r square is equal to 9. So correct option of this multiple choice question is, that is D, that is 9. So this way to understand this multiple choice question. In this multiple choice question, a metal sphere having a density rho freely falling in a liquid under the gravity, and it was a terminal velocity v1. Now same sphere is divided into 27 small sphere of radius small r, and these spheres are falling on this on a same liquid under the gravity, free falling under the gravity. The head requires the terminal velocity, that is v2. Now we know that here terminal velocity vt is equal to 2 upon 9 r square g upon eta in bracket rho minus sigma. Therefore vt proportional to r square. Therefore here v1 upon v2 is equal to capital R square upon small r square, number 3. Now we know that the same mass is there, therefore here mass is same, therefore rho into 4 by 3 pi r capital R cube is equal to 27 rho into 4 by 3 pi small r cube. Rho 4 by 3 pi will be cancelled, and finally you can get capital R is equal to 3 small r. Keeping this value in equation v1 upon v2 is equal to capital R square upon small r square, is capital R is equal to 3 small r. Therefore 3 small r bracket square upon r square is equal to 9 r square upon r square is equal to 9. The correct option of this multiple choice question is D, that is v1 upon v2 is equal to 9. So this way to understand this multiple choice question. Thank you very much.